What the fuck? What the fuck in tarnation? What the hell is going on?
Wait,
Wait a fucking minute.
Does it feel like there's a distance between these lighthouses?
Are y'all seeing what the fuck I'm seeing?
What are you seeing?
Yeah.
What am I supposed to be seeing?
Y'all don't see what's right in front of me right here.
I see a lighthouse.
I see a lighthouse.
All right. Well, that sounds good to me. Hey, listen, I didn't really see anything. There was some bird out in the distance. Kind of thought it was a helicopter or something. Yep, no problem. All right. Well, we're just going to, you said it was back here, right?